Okay, I just sold. Oh, that's why it happened. Okay, I meant to set a stop order below this low, but I accidentally put a limit order. So um, I ended up getting a better entry than I would have gotten. So I'm short here at 287.41, and I'm gonna see how this bar closes and then decide what to do. The reason that I want to see how this bar closes is because if it ends up like this, then on the 1 minute chart you can see that it's actually just forming a flag. So if we stay like this, it increases the chances that it just breaks out to the upside. Whereas if it's a big bear bar, then it convinces me that it's a breakout and that it's worth it to stay in. So if we stay like this, then I'll probably exit. So I exited there at my entry price. It could still go down. It's just I usually base these trades on what the entry bar and the follow through are like, and I didn't like that it ended up as a bull bar. So I'm not happy with the outcome of the trade, but I'm happy with the management. So it looks like it was a good decision for me to exit early here because we did end up going up to break this high, and that would have stopped me out. And that's not to say that we can't go down now, but based on my entry and where my stop loss was, I think it was a good read that higher prices were now likely. So there was no point in staying in the trade, for me at least, based on my parameters. And I think it reinforces my decision making based on the entry bar, because typically when the entry bar is weak, it is signaling something on the 1 minute chart or something internally that is showing a lack of strength. So in this case, on the 1 minute chart, it was showing a bull flag. Whereas if the entry bar was a big bear breakout, it wouldn't be a bull flag on the 1 minute chart. And having a big bear breakout would increase my conviction in the trade. So not only am I happy with the management of this trade because I followed my rules, but also that my rules were reinforced by the fact that I would have been stopped out. So I'm glad that this trade kind of reinforced my decision making. Okay, so I just sold right here after seeing this big bear breakout. I'm looking for 10 cents. Selling a bit low here, so that's my one concern, but I'll be quick to get out if it doesn't go my way. Okay, just got filled there for 10 cents. So I think this is kind of what I was saying here. Here in this situation, I got the signal bar, but I didn't take it. Maybe I should have. I don't know. I was feeling kind of hesitant after this trade, so I didn't take it. But then we got a good entry bar. So instead of waiting through the entry bar, I just sold after the entry bar. Because it typically does have follow through. So that's my read on it. And from what I've looked at, it seems to be consistent. So that's kind of what I base my rules on. But if any of you have any other insights on it, I'd be happy to hear them. But I'm glad this worked out. It's just another form of reinforcement for how I'm reading this. So I'm happy about that.